Bubbles, we can stay here tonight.
Alright, you can stay.
Got me in the moment, you see. Come a little closer to me. It's the roller coaster. Ah, ah, ah. Don't feel defeated. I'll give you motive, I'll give you a reason. I can't find your love nowhere anymore. I wanted you to stay with me, to stay with me, to save me. I wanted you to stay with me, wherever you
Little girl, I'ma tell you this. You better dead, you know. Cause only that alone can save you, you know. You hear that? You see how long man I call you. And you know answer man call? Tony and me go mash you up, you know. At that moment, you know. At 10 o'clock now and you not answer your phone. I fully take my phone. Wait until you reach home. You want him? Me I got charge for one, you know. Wait until my hole, you know, yeah? Hey, girl, yeah. Hey, girl. Why you remember say when nobody never want you? And me take you up, you know. Remember say, you know, when you don't have nowhere to live and me put a roof over your head, you know. Yo, you're ungrateful and wicked in a girl. Wait until me see you, girl, you know, wicked in a girl. Hey, girl, you're wicked. Hey, girl, Tony, say a big man a ball till my chest all hurt me. If me get heart attack, you know, and then you me blame for that, you know. Remember, you know, me come back and haunt you, you know, girl. Just wait until you come in here. And then me go murder me. Yo, wait here.
Yeah, man, a cha I am not true. See, that's why I made I wonder if you fi stay out.
Yeah, him vexing at the 4 voice note him. But the last one him cry.
So what that mean?
Never hear it cry before.
I feel sorry for him, not true.
Honestly, yeah.
Alright, tell her what you do. Go on home, go hush him, and tell him say you're sorry. And after that, you make him a nice breakfast and bathe him too.
Lord Bubbles, you don't have to be so sarcastic. You don't think Redz can sorry too? Suppose this teach him a lesson.
You know why you get that dream there? Because it look like if Redz get money, you forget everything about everybody and I defend your beta man.
I'm not defending him. But just I say,
You just a say nothing. Stop justifying behavior, my girl. That is why woman like you stay in a them abusive relationship you are in there till them dead. Tonian, please me I beg you, listen back to them voice note there and tell me which one of them Redz sound like him care or him concern about you.
Bubbles, and me stay out, you know.
So what that say? Every voice note him send you, it either cuss you and a class you. Him don't even find out if you're alright. Suppose that somebody did take you away and then find your body somewhere. Him not care about you. By the time you step in at the house there, beating left, right and center. Tony and Redz don't care.
Bubbles, if him put him on par me, make a defend myself.
That is why this I gotta take careful planning. If you hurt him out of anger, you can get in a problems. Let me prove something to you. This is how we're gonna do it.